Hello, my fly babies. Hello, my beautiful patrons. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today we're going to do our Patreon in review for the week of the 20th. So it'd be the 20th through the 25th. Remember, I do one every weekday for you. And the things that we talked about last week were saying no and setting limits. On Tuesday was back on track, how to get back on track. On Wednesday, it was craft room organization, and that was a request from one of the patrons. Thursday was excuses, another request from a patron. And Friday is your action pile, and I believe that was also a request from a patron. So again, if you are a patron, please feel free to comment below any of the videos. I see your comments and I will respond. Sometimes it takes a little longer than others, unfortunately. I'm really trying to get those done in the morning, but sometimes I'm committed to my family, my mother and dad especially, and unable to do that for you right away. All right, but I will do it within a week, always. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you come on over. If you're not a patron, please join us. I'd love to have you as part of our more intimate group. Remember that it's only $5 a month, and that it gets you 20 videos, an occasional live video where I talk just to my patrons, and I will make a video that you request if it's something that I do. It has to be about the FlyLady system. Okay, that's it for today. I hope that you always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful. Bye.